My name is Joe Jones, easy name, and I'm the research director for California Environmental Engineering. Our lab is an independent laboratory that is both EPA recognized and CARB, California Air Resources Board certified. So we're probably one of the most looked at labs there is. To get things accredited or approved that you're going to use on vehicles, you have to go through an independent lab like ours. Our laboratory looks at both small and large engines and applications. Then we're testing cars, a whole variety of cars on what we call a chassis dynamometer. And then we're testing heavy-duty diesel engines, which everybody's looking at, in what's called engine dynamometers, heavy-duty engine dynos. A chassis dyno is something that gives you a fairly aggressive test that is very similar to what a car would be when it's on the road itself. The results using the Ethos product showed a significant improvement in lowering the tailpipe emissions and improving fuel economy. The series of tests that we did were called proof of concept. We did 2 tests, what are called 8-mode tests, which is the standard and federal way of doing it. And we took the average of those 2 tests for all the tailpipe emissions and fuel economy. Then we introduced the Ethos product, and we ran a minimum of 8 hours just to get the computer used to the new additive. And then we ran 2 more tests and took that average to compare to the baseline to look at the difference, and that's where we saw the significant improvement using the Ethos product. There's a variety of additives that are similar in many ways to the Ethos project, but nothing that we have tested so far that is quite as dramatic as the reductions we got with the Ethos product. We were surprised at this. I've been here a long time and I've seen a lot of things and different stuff, and there's no question it was more dramatic than most of them. Using the Ethos product and getting a lower heat range based on better combustion efficiency, the average vehicle would probably last much longer. If all the cars were in fact equipped with Ethos, there'd be no question it would be much better with the environment.